Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to pattern bleach denim pants. So we're going to be bleaching this denim pants. I have it available on my thrift store, Vintage Culture by E. I'll put the handle up there. And it's a nice denim pants, really. But I feel like it's, plain old jeans, plain old denim, there's not much going on. And right now, I feel like I've said a lot of videos, but anyways, right now what is in vogue is like having some character to the denim pants, the jeans. So I just thought to pattern bleach this to make it a bit more interesting. First of all, you're gonna need your denim pants, and then you're gonna need some bleach. You're gonna need a container where you'll be pouring your bleach with some water. So I put water in it already. Yes, because you have to use the bleach diluted. And then you're gonna need either a pencil or color pencil, because you need to make draw the patterns of the denim. So whichever one will work for you. An eraser if I will need it, sharpener, scissors because I will need to cut this cardboard and place it in between the denim pants, like inside of the denim pants, so that it separates the front from the back. So when I'm painting the fronts, the bleach doesn't seep into the back, if that makes sense. So I'll be needing the scissors to cut that. So basically those are the things you need. And your paintbrush, so that you can paint the bleach onto the denim, because it's going to be pattern bleach. It's going to be bleach in like a particular pattern, so you need your brush to apply the paint properly, the way that you would want it. So guys, that's basically it. You also need to do this in a well ventilated room or area, which is why I'm outside now. I'm outside today. I'm at the summer hat, and pardon me for all the noise in the background, guys. I don't have much control because I'm outside. The birds, the rooster, there are kids playing right outside the walls. So there'll be a bit of noise in the background, but pardon me. So let's get into it, guys. So I literally picked the gloves, and I didn't mention it. You're gonna need gloves as well. So if you have any disposable ones, that'll be great. Ideally you can wear on both hands, but I'll be wearing on just this hand because I feel like I don't really need to wear it on this hand. I'll be placing this hand on the denim and stuff like that. So I think I would need it on this hand, but ideally just use two to play it safe. I mean, if I'm using it and I feel like this hand is gonna get stained, or it's gonna get in contact with the bleach or something, I'm gonna go and end up taking another one. But for now I think I might need just one. So I have just the one single glove here. All right, so guys, now let's get into it. Hey guys, so it's 24 hours later, and see, we can barely see anything. I actually bleached just one leg, so here you can barely see anything. Barely. I think at the back it's a little bit more visible than the front, but it's not great. Like you can't see the bleaching properly. I guess it's because the bleach is actually not a very strong bleach. That's what I'm thinking, because in the past when I tried to bleach like a full denim with it, I dipped the whole thing in the bucket and stuff. That's worked a bit more, but it took some time and I had to use a lot more bleach for me to see actual results. So I feel like this bleach is actually not very strong, but regularly and generally you would definitely need to do a few more layers to bleach in your denim pants if you are trying to get like a controlled bleach, like a pattern or something. If you're not just like pouring the bleach in the basin, lots of it, and squeezing the jeans into it. Do you get me? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do another layer today to try and get the bleach to, you know, do what's supposed to do. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do another. There's like a different technique as well, where like you can dip it into a bucket, but maybe you can, like, I don't know, tie up certain parts and stuff. So when you dip, so it's not every part that's gonna like really absorb the bleach properly. So when you're done, you still get a patterned bleach design, but I want this one to be more controlled. So I'm gonna go in with another layer of bleaching today, but today I'm gonna have it more drenched, and I'm gonna also like pour more of the like bleach. I'm gonna have more of the bleach, like I'm gonna pour some directly onto the jeans and like kind of spread it out, and I'm gonna do one side, kind of let it dry a bit before I continue, like I move on, you understand? Yeah, so yeah, we're about to do a second layer, and then I will keep you guys updated like tomorrow. In the next 24 hours I'll show you guys how far we've come, what we've got. If we like it, then we are good. If we feel like we should bleach just a bit more, then we go for another layer. But yeah, basically when it comes to like pattern bleaching, or like more when you're trying to get like a controlled bleach, yeah, you might have to do like a couple of layers or a couple of, you know, times. So yeah, let's go, let's get it.
Run away from your problems, and you'll run away from me. And it won't be a beautiful ending, but you will finally be free, free from me. Free from me.
Okay guys, so this is what we have now. I kind of just went a little crazy with the pattern. I painted out the pattern and I was like, you know what, let me pour some of the bleach on there and just like, you know, just get it in there, because I would love to get like some parts or some chunks. So okay, some parts of the pants looking really white, like very faded. So yeah, that's why I poured the bleach directly onto it and kind of just went crazy with it. But now I've changed the pattern, but I do not mind. I'm kind of waiting for it to do its thing, and then I decide whether or not I like it, or whether I want to add something or take something out, or, you know, you get a point. So I'm just gonna leave it for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Let the bleach just keep doing what it's supposed to do. There are a lot of mosquitoes here, sorry guys. Let the bleach just do what what's supposed to do, and then yeah, maybe in like an hour's time I'll check it. If I like it, I'm gonna, you know, wash it up, because if you have to kind of wash it, maybe so that it doesn't keep bleaching, it doesn't keep doing what it's doing. So you throw it in the laundry or you wash it or whatever, without detergent, kind of wash it out, and then yeah, you dry it, and then I'll show you guys how it's looking tomorrow. And if we are all good with it, we move. If we feel like we should go in there with another layer, we do that. But yeah, basically this is just how you go about bleaching your pants at home, and just try out some interesting patterns, some crazy ideas, you know, play around with it. You never know, you create something that you really love. Yeah, and I think I don't know if I'm gonna continue this video and then bleach the different parts where I kind of like tie up the different parts and soak it up inside the basin, so that when you take it out, it kind of just, you know, it takes it does its own thing. So we can try that. I don't know if I'll do it in this video, but if I don't do it in this video, then I'm gonna do a separate video for that. But yeah, let's wait for this to finish bleaching and see if we like it. And yeah, I decided to just bleach like a single leg. I don't know, that's just how I was feeling. So yeah, let's see how it's looking by tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's been over 12 hours. I think it's been 24 hours. We can say it's been over 24 hours. I waited for like about 30 minutes to an hour, like I mentioned, and the bleach hadn't done what it was supposed to do fully. It took a minute. I kind of had to leave it overnight. So yeah, I left it overnight, and then it was looking much better. Like the bleach had done more, and I thought, okay, now it looks better. And I washed it and dried it, and this is what we got, guys. Ooh. This is what we got. Usually when you wear it, it's when you see the you know, you see how on point it is. Because when I saw it, I was like, but when I wore it, it looked quite good. I think I should wear it in this video to show you guys. But anyways, yeah, this is what we've ended up with. I think I like it better now. It looks okay. How do you guys feel about it? Let me know. I wish I had stuck to my pattern more than going crazy with it, because my pattern was, you know, it was given. But yeah, this is nobody. That is quite okay. It's a little bit, it looks a bit uncontrolled, but yeah, it's okay. And one thing I noticed is that definitely get stronger bleach, because I mentioned the bleach that I used wasn't that strong, because after waiting for like 30 minutes to an hour, I should have seen like the bleach do what it was supposed to do, because I put more bleach, like it foamed up and everything while I was painting, you know, but that wasn't the case. So I'm definitely gonna try and get like stronger bleach for next time I try to do the bleach video, so that we can actually compare. Yeah, so if you're trying to bleach some jeans, just make sure to get like really strong bleach. And also when you're painting and when you're mixing up with the water, make sure you have more bleach and water, just a tiny bit of water, so that the bleach can, like, you know, be very potent to do what it has to do. And when you're painting it, try and like move your brush back and forth so that the bleach foams up a little on the pants, because I feel like that's when it's like even more activated. That's what I think, because that's what I noticed. And yeah, that's pretty much what you need to know when bleaching denim pants. I'm probably going to do another video where I actually stick to the design or pattern, or actually draw something, like draw like spider or like a heart or something, you know, something simple but straightforward, but like specific, and paint it out so that we see how that comes out. Yeah, but like basically that's how you go about it. That's it. We had it, we've done it. So yeah, if you're looking to bleach your denim pants, this is how to go about it. You've learned like the to-dos and not to-dos in this video. I hope you have learned that in this video, and I hope you did enjoy this video. You guys let me know if you want more videos like this, like, you know, me upcycling stuff and fashion stuff. You know, I'll be bringing you guys more like styling videos. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of that. And for a stylist and somebody who is like, who has this YouTube channel about fashion as well as like lifestyle, I give you guys more lifestyle content than anything else, and travel content. So I'm gonna start giving you guys more fashion content as well. But let me know if you guys want more like more upcycle content and stuff, so I can show you guys some of my processes when I'm upcycling some of the stuff from my store. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post, you can get like an alert and come and watch me. Okay, and where are all my babies are? You guys have not been minding me, but you guys should come watch, like, share, all the good stuff. And you know, I need the support to keep going, so you guys should send that support my way. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, it's bye for now. Okay guys, so I don't know if my face is gonna show in this video, but I just wanted you guys to see how the jeans looks like on a body, you know. So yeah, this is how it looks. I mean, this is my size, but this isn't the fit I'd usually go for. I'd go for a size bigger or a more baggy pants. But yeah, this is for someone who probably prefers their jeans straight. This is how it's gonna look. You know, you see. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. That's how it looks, guys.
Run to better arms to hold you. Arms that calm